And now we'll be going back to the Rivers Assembly crisis, where the Supreme Court has delivered judgment on the appeals. And we have standing by in court our correspondent, Joshua Imarayi. Hello, Joshua. Please go ahead and give us an update.
Yes, like you rightly said earlier, Dashen, the Supreme Court has delivered a ruling on one of the appeal suits filed before the Supreme Court, and the person of Justice Emmanuel Agim delivered a particular ruling on the case on the suit number Supreme Court SC 1174/2024 suit. That is the suit challenging Fubara, who have went ahead to implement the 2020 fall appropriation bill of the Rivers State that was signed and given the green light by 4 members of the Rivers State Assembly. Well, you know, this case has moved from the Rivers State High Court down to the Federal High Court in Abuja and to the Court of Appeal, and now we are in the Supreme Court. Earlier, the Rivers State High Court held the position that since those estranged embattled lawmakers decamped from one party to the other, they lose their right seat. However, the case was taken to the Federal High Court, who held that the person of Fubara, who is the governor of Rivers State, is to represent the 2024 appropriation bill before the Martins Amawwule House. Fubara was not contacted with that ruling. He moved to the appeal court, and the appeal gave similar ruling to that same ruling that the Federal High Court in Abuja gave. And now we are here in the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has ruled that the court and Nigerians, particularly politicians, cannot continue playing to the rule of men than to the rule of law. That's citing the previous ruling by the Federal High Court and the ruling of the Court of Appeal, that those were the rule of law according to the 1999 Constitution that applies to Nigerian law and the conduct of politicians and public office holders. But however, now we are seeing that the Supreme Court is acceding to the fact that the Federal High Court in Abuja is right, the Appeal Court in Abuja is right, and that Fubara is to represent the 2024 appropriation bill before the Martins Amawwule-led House of Assembly of the Rivers State.
All right, so what else can you tell us, about the 5 million naira that was awarded against the governor?
You know, in legal cases and jurisprudence, there are expenses that are incurred and there are bills that need to be settled. Well, Justice Emmanuel Agim, in his wisdom, actually awarded a fine of 5 million against Fubara in this case as we speak.
All right, well, thank you so much for that update, Joshua. We'll definitely reach out to you later for more on this.